Morning, ladies and gentlemen. I don't think I've explained what the hell am I doing in London today. I'm helping on a production as a gaffer. Basically, there are these guys in Bournemouth that are taking pictures of a lot of products, and they do a lot of these brochures for a massive cosmetics company. So essentially I am helping them light these things, and that's what the job is all about. And we decided that it's going to be the best thing to do is come the night before, stay up here in London and have a really early morning. And right now it's 6:45, got a shower, and let's go and load the car.
I've been guarding it. I felt a bit like Smile, you know, the dragon on the gold.
I am the fire. Right, should we begin?
Yeah, fuck it, let's get started.
Yeah.
Just a thought. I dare say we've got some. Yeah, you could we use just size the bottles to go.
Guys, you have a cat as an assistant now?
Oh yeah. Because the bottles positions inside that cabby weren't like some tack, so only towards the edges. We can use that just to remember that. That's what, yeah.
Alright, fantastic. We're done for the day. And I'm in an incredible rush because I need to catch a train to get downtown, to catch a bus because I'm going back home tonight. I'm not staying over because tomorrow somebody else is going to be lighting the same job. So they just needed me for one day, so I'm done. It was a long day with a long light, but some really good stuff came out of the whole thing, and I nicked a couple of granola bars because I'm incredibly hungry, so let's go. Well, the good old train station. We're back. By the way, I don't know have I told you, but that bit right behind me is it's two carriageway that we come in from London in Bournemouth, and the first thing I see it's like the wall of trees, then a massive clearing, and it's the station. It's the sodium orange lights of the station, and it's just brilliant. It's just like it's the first thing you see from home. All right, so Ruby's supposed to be here. Can't see her. I'll go in Asda, buy some food, and go home. First, find Ruby. It's like a quest game around here. Ruby! 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 Ruby!
Daddy!
Ruby! Good night!
Night!